Well done! We're always happy to help. Time to pick a new toy. It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? Forward leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to next stop, Cannonball Curb. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curb. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. That was so close. Let's try again. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Well done! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Which toy will you choose now? Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Good job! Which way do you want to go? Right, the rolling bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Well done! That was off the rails! Choose a new toy!
Where should I sit? Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
Mew Mew is on the bus. Stop at the red light and cross the road on the green light. We have arrived at the supermarket. Teacher asked us to buy some things and bring them to class.
Let's go buy some stationery and a
pick your cart.
I need to bring these to class. Please help me find them.
School bag. Yeah, pencil case. That pencil case. Hand sanitizer.
We haven't.
Notebook. Water bottle. Pillow. Quilt. Put money in the drawer.
I finished my shopping. All thanks to you. We finished our shopping. Let's get on the bus.
Bye, baby bus.
Hi, Lulu. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit? Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
Lulu is on the... Let's go! Next stop is the photo studio. We have arrived at the photo studio. Teacher asked us to take a photograph and bring it to class.
Let's go take some photos.
Welcome!
We want to take some really nice pictures.
All right, let's go change clothes first.
I need to wear pretty clothes for a photo. Please find some nice ones for me. Click the camera and take a photo.
It's such a beautiful photo.
Thanks. Gas, could you fill it up for me? Car. Our car is out of gas. Could you fill it up for me? Car. Ball. La la. Ball. La la la. La 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 la.
Ouch, that hurts.
Police car.
The thief ran away. Where is he hiding?
Would you help me lift Alan into the ambulance? Fire engine!
They need our help.
Help! Fire engine!
They need our help.
Help! Help!
Let's put out the fire together. Let's put out the fire together. Let's put out the fire together.
Truck! Let's load up the truck with fruit.
My tire is flat. Please help me fix it. Let's pump up the tire. Thank you so much.
Ship!
Hi, come fish with Kiki.
Butterfly fish. Parrotfish. Starfish. Parrotfish. Butterfly fish. Lionfish. Ship. Airplane.
Our flight is boarding now. We will take off soon. Our flight is boarding now. We will take luggage also goes on the plane. All right, let's go. Our flight is The train is leaving soon. All aboard. Load up the cargo train. Load up the cargo. All right, let's go. The train is leaving. Load up the cargo train. Load up the cargo. All right, let's go.
Car. Our car is out of gas. Could you fill it up for me? Thank you so much.
Where to now? Forward leads to the pig farm. Right leads to the water. Right leads to the tunnel. The tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Well done! That's awesome! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. You've opened all the toys in this box, but there are still lots of things to win in other boxes. Lights out! All my friends want to help too, so make sure you in this builder pack, you'll get a brand new engine and 6 to Thomas! Lights on! Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to the town square station. Right leads to left leads to McCall's farm is coming up. Right leads to McCall's farm is coming up.